Hello, Flutter experts. Welcome to the Flutter GetX Masterclass. I am Noman Nisar and I'm excited to be your guide on this journey. In this comprehensive series, we are going to explore the amazing world of Flutter and, in the particular, the powerful GetX package. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, this playlist is designed to empower you with the skills and knowledge you need to create outstanding Flutter applications. But before we dive into all the exciting content, let me give you a sneak peek of what you can expect throughout this series. GetX Essentials will be our starting point. We will unveil the core concepts of GetX, covering Get Material and Get Utils, essential tools for your Flutter toolkit. From there, we will delve into themes, responsive design, localization, and even some real-world examples, including user authentication, navigation, and advanced architectural patterns. By the end of this series, you will be equipped with the knowledge and skills to tackle any Flutter project, whether it is a personal application or a professional handover. So get ready to supercharge your Flutter development journey. Now, before we get started, do me a quick favor. If you are as excited as I am about learning Flutter, GetX state management, and if you want to ensure you never miss a single episode in this series, hit that subscribe button below. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you will be the first to know when a new video drops. Your support means the world to me, and it motivates me to keep creating high quality content like this. Plus, when you subscribe, you become a part of our growing community, and we're here to learn and grow together. So go ahead and do that right now. Awesome! You are officially part of our Flutter GetX community. Thanks for subscribing and welcome aboard. Get ready for an incredible learning journey and let's dive into our very first topic, GetX Essentials. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy coding with Flutter.